Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background noises from your audio that you've recorded on BandLab. So I'm just going to record something and try to make a lot of noise as much as I can, but not too much. So I'm just going to hit the record button. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Hopefully it heard that. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. As you can see, you can hear that, definitely. Let me just change this, actually. Let me just turn up the volume a little bit. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. There we go. So I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to then select denoise. You can also enable voice cleaner, but that is a pro feature. This is what it's going to sound like. It's not going to be perfect. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. As you can see, it does clear up some of the audio, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!